Hello everyone! Welcome to Success Wisdom Channel. In this video, we're going to talk about 8 simple steps on how to successfully save more money. If you are new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. Saving money can seem like an impossible task when you're just starting out. But small changes over time will add up and make a big difference. You don't have to do all of your savings work in one go. Adjusting some daily habits, cutting monthly bills, and using tools that automate finances might be enough on their own for achieving financial security later down the road. By following these 8 simple steps to save money in your daily life, you can reduce the amount of cash that goes out every month. It doesn't have to be hard or complicated. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. The first step is to make a budget and track your budget. To save more money, you should create your budget. Track your spending and make adjustments to ensure that your spending aligns with your goals. By doing this, you will be able to save more money and reach your financial goals. Creating a budget is the first step to saving money. You need to know where your money is going in order to make changes. Track your spending for at least a month so that you have an accurate picture of where your money is going. After tracking your spending, you can then create a budget that allocates your income into different categories. Make sure to include fixed expenses, such as rent or mortgage payments, as well as variable expenses, such as groceries or entertainment. Once you have created your budget, it is important to stick to it. This may require making some adjustments to your lifestyle. For example, if you are used to eating out several times a week, you may need to cut back to only eating out once a week in order to stay within your budget. Small changes like this can make a big difference in your ability to save money. By creating a budget and making adjustments to ensure that you are spending within your means, you can save more money and reach your goal. Next is pay bills on time. It's no secret that paying your bills on time can save you money. By avoiding late fees and penalties, you can keep more of your hard-earned cash in your pocket. But did you know that there are other ways paying your bills on time can save you money? For example, did you know that many utility companies offer discounts for customers who pay their bills on time? These discounts can add up, so it's worth it to make sure you're never late with a payment. Paying your bills on time can also help you build good credit. This can save you money in the long run by making it easier to qualify for loans and lines of credit card at affordable rates. In fact, a good credit scores can save you thousands of dollars over the course of your lifetime. So next time you're tempted to let a bill slide, remember that paying on time can pay off in more ways than one. Your wallet will thank you. Afterward, cancel automatic subscriptions and membership. Cancel automatic subscriptions and membership to save more money. Have you ever totaled up how much you spend each month on automatic subscriptions and memberships? You might be surprised at how much it adds up to. If you're looking to save money, one of the easiest places to start is by canceling automatic subscriptions and membership to save more money. Just take a few minutes to go through your regular expenses and see where you can cancel automatic subscriptions and membership to save more money. You may be surprised at how much money you can save each month. And if you cancel automatic subscriptions and membership to save more money, that's even better. So if you're looking to save some money, canceling automatic subscriptions and membership to save more money is a great place to start. Cancel automatic subscriptions and membership to save more money. Fourth, never make a purchase out of impulse. Have you ever made a purchase that you later regretted? If so, you're not alone. Many people make impulse buys, only to find that the item wasn't really what they wanted or needed. In fact, studies have shown that impulse buying is one of the main reasons people overspend. If you're trying to save money, it's important to avoid making purchases on impulse. Instead, take a moment to think about whether you really need or want the item before you buy it. If you can wait a few days, do so. Often, the urge to buy something fades after a short period of time. Of course, there are expectations to every. Sometimes, an impulse buy can be a good thing. For example, if you see a great deal on an item but you were already planning to purchase, it makes sense to buy it right away. Just be sure that you're really getting a bargain before you pull out your wallet. By following these simple tips, you can avoid spending too much money on unnecessary purchases. Fifth, ask for discounts. Many people are hesitant to ask for discounts, but doing so can be a great way to save money. Whether you're buying groceries, clothes, or even a car, don't be afraid to ask if the store offers any discounts. You may be surprised at how often you can get a lower price simply by asking. Of course, it's important to be polite when asking for a discount. Simply state your case and ask if the store is able to give you a break on the price. In most cases, the worst that can happen is that they say no. However, if you're successful, you'll be able to pocket some extra cash. So next time you're out shopping, remember to ask for a discount. It could save you a lot of money in the long run. Sixth, reduce energy costs. Reducing your energy costs is a great way to save money. There are a number of ways you can do this, from making simple changes to the way you use energy in your home to investing in energy-efficient appliances. Here are a few ideas to get you started. Install energy-efficient light bulbs. LED bulbs use less energy than traditional incandescent bulbs and can last up to 25 times longer, so they're a great way to save money on your energy bill. Upgrade your insulation. Making sure your home is well insulated can help to reduce heat loss in winter and keep your home cooler in summer, both of which will save you money on your energy bills. Use a programmable thermostat. By setting your thermostat to automatically turn off when you're not home, you can save money on your heating and cooling costs. Making even small changes to the way you use energy can add up to big savings on your energy bill. So why not start today and see how much you could save? Then, try a spending freeze. Anyone who has ever tried to save money knows that it can be a challenge. There are always tempting items to buy, whether it's the latest gadget or a new outfit. However, one of the best ways to save money is to put a spending freeze in place. This means no non-essential purchases for a set period of time, whether it's a week, a month, or even longer. This can be tough at first, but it's amazing how quickly the savings add up. And once you've broken the spending habit, it will be easier to resist temptation in the future. So next time you're feeling the urge to splurge, think about taking a spending freeze instead. It could be the best decision you ever make for your wallet. Last but not the least, make saving money automatic. Make your savings automatic is a great way to make sure you always have money set aside for your future. When you make saving money automatic, you can easily save more money without having to think about it. This can be especially helpful if you find it difficult to stick to a budget or if you tend to spend everything you have. By making your savings automatic, you can make sure that your future is always taken care of. There are many different ways to make your savings automatic. You can set up a different deposit from your paycheck into your savings account. Or you can automate your savings by transferring a fixed amount of money from your checking account into your savings account each month. Whichever method you choose, making your savings automatic is a great way to make sure you are always prepared for the future. Spending less and saving more doesn't always require a big sacrifice. Sometimes, all it takes is paying closer attention to what does and doesn't work for you, so we can help make sure your hard-earned cash goes towards something worthwhile. By making small changes like this, you can save a lot of money over time without feeling like you're sacrificing anything. So next time you're thinking about ways to save money, don't assume that you have to make big changes. Sometimes all it takes is a little bit of effort to start seeing some real results. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, do give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Thank you and goodbye!